Hi, welcome back, Chromebookers and YouTubers, etc., etc. We left off last time. I was trying to figure out how to store my username for GitHub so I wouldn't be prompted to enter that, as well as my password every single time that I made a push to my GitHub repository. Turns out I looked it up, and if you're using the HTTPS like we are, you're going to want to bring into play this credential helper cache. So I'll link to this page in this video, but basically you just copy and paste this command, git config dash dash global credential helper cache, and then it's going to store your username and password. So you're going to have to enter it. You do this in the beginning of your project, your first commit, and your first push rather. You're going to be prompted. You're going to enter your username. You're going to enter your password. Then every time thereafter, you won't have to do that for a default of 15 minutes. However, you can enter this line, and this right here, 3,600 seconds would be an hour. You could change that to maybe 4 hours if you plan on working on your project for 4 hours. You can change it to whatever you want in seconds by entering this command and just changing this second. So that's what I've done. I wanted to make sure that we were able to do that. I had forgotten how. So back in our project, I've made a couple little changes in style. I've just made the body display flex and flex direction of column, and aligned items to center and gave it a little margin top of 10 VH, which is 10% essentially of whatever view height the screen happens to be. And I've given the H1, which is our counter number, and I've given the buttons. I've given the buttons a. Actually, no, I have to change that, don't I? That's an H2, so we'll change that to an H1. Save it. Now everything should be nice. Oh yeah. Okay. So that's what that does. Back to the styles here. I want to give the buttons a margin top just to separate them right here. So now we have somewhat respectable yet simple basic web page. Everything's centered up. Your buttons are here. Everything still works. Okay, good. So everything's saved. And now that we've entered in the password one time, we just go git add all, git commit -m. Let's say we'll say update all, and we'll say git push origin master. Now, no prompts, boom. It just is automatically going to send it up to GitHub for me. Awesome. So here we are. Refresh this. Go in here. Look, it's got all the stuff we just did. Beautiful. And this cool thing, you go to settings. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. I've already done this, but basically here at the GitPages options, you're going to want to go to click this source here and set it to the master branch, and then click save. Okay? And then you're going to come back in and scroll down, and it's going to say your site is published at this URL. Now you can open this URL, and your web page is hosted for free online with GitPages, right from your repo, based on your index.html file and everything that it links to. Super cool. Okay, and this is the URL of your new project, which is simply HTTPS, blah, 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 your username for GitHub.github.io, and / the name of the repository, in this case, Cloud9 Demo. So now you can share this link with all kinds of people, and it's awesome. And that's pretty seamless way to get your site up and running rather quickly. And that's all for this video. I just wanted to clear up the password username thing and show you how to get your page hosted for free with GitPages. And then you can just edit this section here at the top of your repository, and there's a field for the website URL and a small description right here. We can also, real quick, I guess we might as well, let's navigate. Okay, there it is. Let's navigate to that site, right? Grab that link. Come back over to here. Open the README. And we'll say, check out our demo. Then we're going to say close braces, parentheses. We're going to paste the link into the parentheses. And this is actually where we're going to take this checkout demo, pop that in there, right? And then we'll put it there in front of that hash like that. It's going to make it big. Save it. You can also do git add. We could also say, we could do it like that. We could just specifically say readme.md. And our commit-m link in readme. And of course, git push origin master. Okay. Refresh. Now the link is on the README. And so a README is going to automatically be displayed in your repository. It looks for that readme.md file and automatically displays it. So you put a short little, you can put a short little thing about what your site's about. I can get into some more Markdown stuff in later tutorials, how you can put in pictures, links to videos, but you could just Google Markdown. And GitHub has all kinds of guides that will show you what to do and how to do the different things. Just from watching this, you've learned headers. We just did links and we did lists. So, I mean, that's a big chunk of MD Markdown right there. We even did, if you look at it, we even did a asterisk, triple asterisk to get this italic bold. So now the link is right there. People can come in. If they don't catch this up here, they catch that down there, and they can link to whatever your site is. Just by clicking on that, it's going to bring them there. There's our counter. All right, that's it for this video. Get part 2. Sayonara.